students, welcome to our YouTube channel JV the Mentor. Now, some formulas in compound angles. That is, first one is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B expansion ఏంటండి? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is the expansion of cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B cancel అయిపోతుంది. Cos A cos B plus cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B వస్తుంది అనమాట. Similarly, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B equal to 2 sin A sin B. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Here sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B equal to 2 cos A sin B. Okay na? యూజ్ఫుల్ ఫార్ములాస్ అండి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం అనమాట. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వీ విల్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. థర్డ్ రోమన్లో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఫోర్త్ రోమన్. ఫోర్త్ లో ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ లో ఫోర్త్ లో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం అండి. ప్రూవ్ దట్ tan 72 degrees equal to tan 18 degrees plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Okay na? Tan 72 degrees equal to tan 18 degrees plus 2 tan 54 degrees. All these angles are unknown angles. Okay. Sum of two angles is the third angle. So, 18 plus 54 and 30 is 72. Okay na? Write down. Solution. We know that 18 degrees plus 54 degrees equal to 72 degrees. Okay, yes or no? Okay, next here, prove that tan 72 degrees. Now taking on both sides tan. Tan of 18 plus 54 degrees equal to tan 72 degrees. Okay, now here it is of the form tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B, here A is 18, B is 54. Tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay na? So, tan 18 degrees plus tan 54 degrees by 1 minus tan 18 degrees tan 54 degrees equal to tan 72 degrees. Okay. Now cross multiplication. Tan 18 degrees plus tan 54 degrees equal to tan 72 degrees into 1 minus tan 18 degrees tan 54 degrees. Okay, no? Now multiplying with tan 72 degrees, tan 72 into 1, tan 72 degrees minus tan 72 into tan 18 into tan 54. Okay, Nandi? Tan 54. Now this equal to tan 72 degrees equal to tan 72 minus tan 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18. 72 can be written as 90 minus 18 into tan 18 into tan 54 degrees. Okay, Nandi? Now here this equal to tan 72 degrees minus tan 90 minus theta. In 90 minus theta is lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant tan is positive. Here 90 tan changes to cot. Cot 18 degrees. Cot 18 degrees. Here tan 18. Tan 18 can be written as 1 by cot 18. 1 by cot 18 into tan 54 degrees. Okay na? Cot 18 cancel. Okay, write down. Okay na? Em chesamandi 18 plus 54 equal to 72 degrees. So taking tan function on both sides, applying tan of a plus b formula. Okay, write down. Now tan 18 plus tan 54 equal to tan 72 degrees minus tan 54 degrees minus tan 54. ఈ minus tan 54 LHS side తీసుకురండి. So then we have tan 18 degrees plus here also tan 54. ఈ minus tan 54 is added plus tan 54. Tan 54 plus tan 54 is 2 tan 54 equal to tan 72 degrees. Okay. So therefore tan 72 equal to tan 18 plus 2 tan 54. అదే కదండి our result. Therefore tan 72 degrees equal to tan 18 plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Okay, hence the result. Write down. Yes, the next problem. Third one, prove that sin 750 degrees cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay na? Sin 750 degrees cos 480 degrees cos 120 degrees here plus cos 120 cos 60 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. First we will find the values of sin 750 cos 480 cos 120. Here cos 60 degrees is known value, that is 1 by 2. Solution. Sin 750 degrees equal to sin 750 can be written as sin 2 into 360 720 plus 720 plus 30 degrees. Okay now 720 can be written as 2 into 360 degrees, and that means the 2 rotations are completed. After 2 rotations completed, plus theta means lies on first quadrant. In first quadrant sign is positive 720, that means sign for sign of 30 degrees. Sin 30 1 by 2. Now cos 480 degrees. Now cos of 360 plus 120 degrees. Okay na? 360 plus 120 degrees. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant cos is positive. Here 360 cos does not change. So cos 120 degrees. Now here this is unknown value. Now this can be written as cos of 180 minus 60. Cos of 120 can be written as 180 minus 60 or 90 plus 30. ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చండి. 180 minus 60 రాసాను. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. 180 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి cos does not change. Cos 60 degrees. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Next one cos 120. Cos 120. So cos of 120 can be written as 180 minus 60. So 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. 180 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి cos does not change. Cos 60 degrees. So minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now taking LHS. So LHS equal to sin 750 degrees cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Now this substitute these values. Sin, what is the value of sin? 750 1 by 2 into cos 480 degrees minus 1 by 2 plus cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2. So this equal to here 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here plus into minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4. Now here taking LCM 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 by 4 cancel అయిపోతే minus 1 by 2. That is RHS. Okay, no? Right now. Next problem, fourth problem అండి. Prove that cos A plus cos of 4 by 3 minus A plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus A equal to 0. Cos A plus cos 4 pi by 3 minus A plus cos 4 pi by 3 plus A equal to 0 అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలండి. ఇందాక మనం నోట్ అని ఫార్ములా చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా? ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా చూడండి. cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B అంటే 2 cos A cos B. ఈ రెండింటికి ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తాను. హియర్ A is 4 pi by 3, B is A. Here A is 4 pi by 3, B is A. cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B formula. Now taking LHS, cos A plus cos of 4 pi by 3 minus A plus cos of 4 by 3 plus A. This equal to cos A plus, since formula ఏంటంటే మనకి cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, that equal to 2 cos a cos b. Adega formula. Here a is 4 pi by 3, b is a. So 2 cos a, 2 cos 4 pi by 3 into cos a. Now this is equal to cos a plus 2 into cos of 4 pi by 3 can be written as pi plus pi by 3 into cos a. Okay, na? 4 pi by 3. 4 pi can be written as 3 pi plus pi. 3 pi plus pi. 3 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. 3 pi by 3 అంటే క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. 3 3 కి pi వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. pi plus pi by 3. Here it is of the form cos of pi plus theta. Pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. Pi is 180 degrees. Pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. Here pi వచ్చింది కాబట్టి cos for cos వస్తుంది. So this is equal to cos a plus 2 into in fourth quadrant, third quadrant cos is negative, cos of pi by 3 into cos a. This is equal to cos a plus 2 into minus, plus into minus minus 2 into cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos a. 2 ki 2 ki cancel andi. So this is equal to cos a minus cos a. Cos a cos a cancel. That is 0. That is RHS. Okay, nandi? Write down. Okay, next fifth lo first one. Evaluate sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండి ఇవి. 2 మార్క్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి విఎస్ఏ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫార్ములా ఉంది చూడండి. sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b can be written as sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Write down solution. We know that sin square a minus sin square b equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. ఓకేనా? ఇది ఫార్ములా అండి. ఈ ఫార్ములా కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ లో రాయాలి. sin square a minus sin square b equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Here a is 82.5 degrees, b is 22.5 degrees. Now sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees equal to sin of 82.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees into sin of 82.5 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి. సైన్ ఆఫ్ 82.5 22.5. 80 ప్లస్ 20 అంటే 100. 2.5 అంటే 5 అండి. 105 degrees. 105 degrees into sine of 82.5 minus 22.5 degrees అంటే 60 degrees. Okay na? 60 degrees. So this equal to sine of 105. 105 is unknown value. This unknown value can be written as the sum of two known degrees. Sum of two known degrees. What are that? 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45 degrees. Okay na? 105 can be written as 60 plus 45 into sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. What is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Okay na? Now applying sine of a plus b expansion. What is the sine of a plus b? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay. Sine 60 degrees cos 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees sine 45 degrees into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Now sine 60. What is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2. Okay. Now here LCM is 2 root 2. Here root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 by 2. Okay. న్యూమరేటర్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? రూట్ 3 ఇంటూ రూట్ 3 3 ప్లస్ రూట్ 3 ఇంటూ 1 రూట్ 3 బై 2 root 2 into 2. 2 into 2 ఎంత? 4. 4 root 2. ఓకేనా? రైట్ డౌన్. ఏ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసామండి ఇక్కడ? సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఏ మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ బి ఫార్ములా. సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఏ మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ బి అంటే సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మైనస్ బి. అప్లై చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చేసింది. 105 అన్నోన్ డిగ్రీ కాబట్టి సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద అన్నోన్ డిగ్రీస్ లో రాసేసాం. సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఫార్ములా వచ్చేసింది. రైట్ డౌన్. అదేవిధంగా సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్లో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉందండి. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, evaluate cos square 112 degrees minus sin square 52.5 degrees. sin square 52.5 degrees. మరి ఇదే ఫార్ములా ఉందండి. cos square a minus cos square b ఫార్ములా. cos square a minus cos square b అంటే cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So cos square a minus cos square b sin square b. cos square a minus sin square b equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b అంటే cos square a minus sin square b. ఓకేనా? ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేద్దాం. నౌ cos square 112.5 degrees minus sin square 52.5 degrees equal to, so cos square a minus sin square b అంటే cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Formula apply చేయాలండి. Here a is 112 1/2 degrees, b is 52 1/2 degrees. So cos of 112 degrees plus 112 1/2 degrees, 52 1/2 degrees into cos of 112 1/2 degrees minus 52 1/2 degrees. Okay now this equal to cos of 165 degrees. 20 యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. హాఫ్ డిగ్రీ అంటే 1 degree 53, ఇక్కడ 63, so 65 degrees. 165 degrees into cos of 112 degrees, 112 1/2 degrees minus 52 1/2 degrees అంటే 60 degrees. ఓకేనా, 60 degrees. మరి 165 unknown degree. ఈ 165 can be written as cos of 180 minus 15 degrees into cos of 60 degrees. ఓకేనా, 180 minus 15 అంటే 165 కదండి. Cos of 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, minus 180 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి cos does not change, cos 15 degrees into cos 60 degrees. ఓకేనా, మరి cos 15 అంటే అన్నోన్ డిగ్రీ కదండి. ఈ అన్నోన్ డిగ్రీని సమ్ ఆర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ టూ నోన్ డిగ్రీస్. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ మైనస్ cos of 45 minus 30 degrees into cos 60. Cos 60 ఎంత అండి, 1/2. Here 15 degrees can be written as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. known degrees లో రాశానండి. మైనస్ 1/2 ముందు రాసేస్తున్నాను. 1/2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఏంటండి, cos of a minus b. cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. cos of 45 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. Okay na? Now this equal to minus 1/2 into cos 45 degrees is 1/√2, cos 30 degrees √3/2 plus sin 45 1/√2 sin 30 degrees 1/2. Okay, now this equal to minus 1/2 into, here LCM is 2√2, 2√2, here √3 plus 1, √3 plus 1. Okay, so ఈ 2 చేత మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 4√2 వస్తుందండి. So this equal to minus of √3 plus 1 by 4√2. √3 plus 1 by 4. The problem is over. Okay, na? Write down. Important problems అంటే ఇవి PSA టైప్ లో వచ్చే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ maximum and minimum values ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C. This is an expression or function. Okay, na? A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C is a function. The minimum value of this function is, now we will say the maximum and minimum values of the function A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C. Observe this. Here cos theta, cos angle, sin angle are same. Here cos angle is theta, sin angle is also theta. Here cos theta coefficient is A, sin theta coefficient is B, C is the constant coefficient. So minimum value is C minus root of A square plus B square. This is the minimum value of this function. Okay now. Now maximum value is C plus root of A square plus B square. C minus root of A square plus B square is minimum value. C plus root of A square plus B square is maximum value. Mari, what about the range? Range lies between minimum and maximum value. So the range of this function is C minus root of A square plus B square, comma C plus root of A square plus B square. So this is the closed interval. This is the minimum value, that is the maximum value. Okay, write down. Note and రాసుకోండి. Let consider the function a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. This is a function. The minimum value of the function is equal to c minus root of a square plus b square. Maximum value equal to c plus root of a square plus b square. Now the range always lies between minimum value to maximum value. Range equal to closed interval c minus root of a square plus b square, comma c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay, no? This is the range where a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, no? Right now. Here the given function is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Angles are same. The angle of cos theta and sin theta are same. Then the minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square. Maximum value is c plus root of a square plus b square. So range is minimum value to maximum value, taking closed interval. Okay, now? Now we will solve some problems on maximum and minimum values. This concept. Now sixth one. Sixth one. Find the minimum and maximum values of. Find the minimum and maximum values of first one. దీంట్లో first one 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 4 sin x. Okay, now 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. But here first we will observe the angles of cos and sin are same or not. If the angles are same, now applying the formula for minimum and maximum values. Okay, now here the angles of cos is x, sin is also x. So angles are same. Now what is the coefficient of cos x is 3, a equal to 3, and the coefficient of sin x is b equal to 4. What about c? C is constant. Here c is 0. Now comparing this function with a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c equal to plus c. A cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Here A cos x coefficient, B sin x coefficient, C and a constant. Now minimum value. Minimum value equal to C minus root of A square plus B square. So C is 0 minus root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is 25. Root 25 is 5 minus 5. So maximum value equal to C plus root of A square plus B square. Here C is 0 plus root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square. 25 వస్తుందండి. root 25 అంటే 5 plus 5. So minimum value is minus 5 and maximum value is 5. So range ఏమవుతుంది? minimum value to maximum value నేగా. So range equal to closed interval minus 5 comma plus 5. Minimum value comma maximum value. That is enough. Okay na? Next problem. దాంట్లో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం sin 2x minus cos 2x. Sin 2x minus cos 2x. Here angles are same. Here theta is same. Here theta is 2x. Here 2x is here also 2x. Okay na? Now it is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c equal to 0. Here a is cos theta coefficient or sin theta coefficient. ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చండి. a equal to cos 2x coefficient అయితే -1. b అంటే sin 2x coefficient 1. c is the constant coefficient c equal to 0. So write the minimum value and maximum value. So minimum value formula ఏంటండి? formula apply చేయండి. So minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square. Here c is 0 minus root of a square minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1 square 1, so minus root 2. So c maximum value c plus root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square. Here a square is minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 square is 1 plus root 2. So maximum value is root 2. What about range? Range equal to closed interval minus root 2 comma root 2. Okay na? Problem is over. Next 7th కూడా సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్ అండి. ఇక్కడ చేద్దాం. 7th లో ఫైండ్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ అంటున్నాడండి. 7th find the range of first problem 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Find the range of 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus c. So this function is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Okay na? What about here? First of all we observe the angles of sin and cos are equal or not. Here angles are x, here angle is also x. Angles are same, and then compare with a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Here a is 7, b is minus 24, c is 5. So write the minimum value. Minimum value equal to c plus root of minimum value and c minus root of a square plus b square. Now substitute the values. Here c is 5 minus root of 7 square plus minus 24 whole square. This is equal to 5 minus root of minus 24 whole square is 24 square. 7 square plus 24 square is 25 square. 25 square. So 5 minus root of 25 square is 25. This is minus 20. Minus 20. So maximum value. Maximum value. Formula ఏంటండి? C plus root of a square plus b square. 5 plus root of 7 square plus minus 24 whole square. This is equal to 5 plus 7 square plus 24 square is 25 square. 25 square. So 5 plus root of 25 square is 25. That is 30. Okay, now 5 plus 25, 30. Therefore, range equal to minimum value to maximum value. What is the minimum value? Minus 20. What is the maximum value? 30. So this is the range. Okay, now write down. Hi students, మీకు ఫర్దర్ గా రిలీజ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ కావాలి అంటే నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా కావాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీగా మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తేనే మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి, లేదా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ రావు. ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్ జేవిద మెంటార్. ఓకేనా? మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా మీరు హెల్ప్ చేయాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీగా మీరు షేర్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళు కూడా చూసి మంచి మార్క్స్ గెయిన్ అవుతారు, వాళ్ళు కూడా సంపాదించుకుంటారు ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.